In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to your Reddit community. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to share your community with others and how to invite moderators with the right level of access. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account. Once you're in, look at the left panel of the homepage. That's where your subscribed or managed communities live. Find the community you want to grow and click it to open the community's main page. With that page open, go to your browser's address bar and copy the full URL you see there. That link is your community's direct doorway. Share it with the people you want to invite. Send it in a message, drop it in an email, or post it wherever your audience is. If your community has membership settings like restricted posting or approval required, that's fine. The link will still bring people to the right place, and they can join or request to join based on your existing settings. This is the simplest, most universal way to invite people to your Reddit community. Now, if you're the community owner and you want to invite moderators, keep the community page open and shift your attention to the right-hand panel. Scroll until you see the moderator section. There, you'll find a button labeled Invite Mod. Click that. Reddit will open a new page and display a pop-up where you'll send the invitation and choose the moderator's access. Inside this pop-up, you'll see permission categories such as everything, users, config, and flare. Here's a quick way to think about these. Everything is full moderator access for folks you fully trust to help run the community. Users typically covers actions like managing reports and member-related tasks. Config is for settings and community configuration, ideal for someone helping with structure and rules. Flare focuses on post and user flare management. Great for helpers who handle tagging and visual organization. Choose the level that matches what you want that moderator to handle. Next, use the search bar at the top of the pop-up to find the Redditor you want to invite. Type their exact username, select the correct person from the search results, and then click Invite at the bottom right of the pop-up. They'll receive the invitation on Reddit and can accept it to become a moderator with the permissions you set. And that's it. Share your community link to bring people in and use the moderator invite to build a trusted team. Thanks for watching and good luck growing your Reddit community.